Students, in that tutorial I could apply that beautiful sticker options on that picture, friends. There are different kinds of options. I have to choose that Friday option, guys. Here you could see that we could change it like that, and here I have to choose that one, guys. So we could change the color of it with the application of that hue option on it, guys, and as well as its temperature could be chosen, changed, and here I have to change its brightness, which I have to make it like that. Here we could also change the clarity of it, guys, as well as we could change the saturation of it, and the picture is going to be looks like that after the application of all these things, guys. So here we could also make it blend with the application of these options on it, guys, and here we could also put the borders on it, guys. Different kinds of borders could be chosen to apply on it, guys. I have to